Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Alhamdulillah. Today I am going to take second class on chapter 8, communication of business organization and management, second paper. Have you done the SW of lecture 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. You are welcome in today's class. Today's class will be held on lecture 2. You are looking at the faculty teachers of DRMC Business Studies, and you are here. Okay, chapter 8 is going on, right? Chapter 8, communication is going on, and second lecture, topics of second lecture on communication, that means business communication. Business communication. Communication means business communication, right? Okay. This is a function of management. Types of business communication and communication method. These two topics are the topics of today's class. Note down these. Today's class topics. Topics of today's class. Note down. Types of business communication and communication medium. Types of business communication and communication medium. We will have to take another 3 classes to complete this chapter, communication. Have a look at it? Okay. Okay, last class have been taken on, and the topics of last class: concept of communication, communication process, importance of communication, and from the communication process we have got 3 points: encoding, decoding and feedback. Have you learned? After? Okay. Before starting the today's topics, that means types of business communication, that means communication and communication medium. We know the communication, definition of communication, right? Concept of communication. 1. The exchange of messages. I want to exchange my views, thoughts, right? Information with other parties. So I will have to contact with that persons or parties or the persons, right? To inform the message, my thinking, message, information, desire, attitude, target, etc. Okay. Between 2 or more than 2 parties is called communication. So we have got some characteristics from the definition of communication. Today we are going to learn about types of communication. Understand? Write down. First of all, types of communication. First, write down the types of communication. First one, types of business communication. Here is stated, types of communication based on organizational environment or participation of the parties. Participation of the parties. অংশগ্রহণের উপর ভিত্তি করে, কিসের উপর ভিত্তি করে? অংশগ্রহণ। কারা অংশগ্রহণ করবে? একটা হলো প্রতিষ্ঠানের ভিতরে আমরাই নিজেদের মধ্যে অংশগ্রহণ আলাপ করছি, যোগাযোগ করছি। আরেকটা হলো প্রতিষ্ঠানের প্রয়োজনে প্রতিষ্ঠানের বাইরের কারোর সাথে আমরা আলাপ করছি বা যোগাযোগ করছি। Am I right? Okay. তার মানে পার্টি হচ্ছে internal parties and external parties. On the basis of these things, the communication has been divided into 2 types: internal communication and external communication. Shafi, internal communication and external communication. You know that communication will be held more 2 parties or more than 2 parties, right? Opposite party can be internal of the organization, internal party of the organization, or external party of the organization. Understand? Out of the organization. That means প্রতিষ্ঠানের ভিতরে আর প্রতিষ্ঠানের বাইরে কে আমার প্রতিষ্ঠানের সাথে যোগাযোগ করছে। ঠিক, I am a teacher of residential model college. I need to contact with different parties, right? I need to contact with the students. I need to contact with accounting department teachers, English department teachers, right? super, need to contact with tuition fees sections. Understand? এইভাবে কারা অংশগ্রহণ করছে, on the basis of this thing communication can be how many types? Two types. Types are internal communication and external communication. Write down internal communication and external communication. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is internal communication? Formally, whatever I have written in the definition of internal communication, here is written where any information or news is exchanged between different employees working within the organization. প্রতিষ্ঠানের ভিতরে manager is contacting with the employees. Understand? Sales manager is contacting with the salesman. Understand? Sales manager is contacting with the assistant sales manager or the worker of the sales department. This type of communication is called internal communication because of parties of the internal communication of the organization. Understand? প্রতিষ্ঠানেরই বিভিন্ন পক্ষ এই যোগাযোগের মধ্যে অংশগ্রহণ করছে। Understand? এটা উপরে দাও। Then what communication between the managers of the purchase department and sales department? Understand? Communication between the sales department and accounts department. This type of communication is called internal communication. External communication, external party communication will be held with external party out of the organization, a party or out of the organization, right? Like exchanging any information or news with any person or organization outside of the organization is called external communication. External, okay? প্রতিষ্ঠানের ভিতরে এবং প্রতিষ্ঠানের বাইরে দুই ব্যক্তি বা প্রতিষ্ঠানের মধ্যকার যোগাযোগ সংগঠিত হবে, এটার নাম হচ্ছে external communication. Like communicating with the buyers and suppliers on behalf of the organization. Understand? Production manager is contacting with the raw material suppliers. Sales manager is contacting with the buyers. Understand? This type of communication is called external communication. Understand? Any question on this point? Have you written that there are two types of communication based on participation of the parties? Okay. Next, we are learning about types of communication. Okay. Then, types of business communication. Types of internal communication. Already we have learned that internal communication and external communication. Now, there are some types of internal communication. What? Internal communication can be vertical communication, লম্বালম্বি, উপর থেকে নিচে সরাসরি vertical. Okay? Internal communication can be divided into vertical communication, can be horizontal communication, can be diagonal communication. Okay? What? Vertical communication, right? Vertical communication will be held like, okay? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Or understand?
Yes, sir.
Top level, just think about top level. General manager is contacting with the manager, assistant general manager. Assistant manager is contacting with the manager of the different departments. Departmental manager is contacting with the assistant departmental manager. Okay, assistant manager. Assistant manager is contacting with the lineman, foreman, right? This type of supervisor, this type of person, and the lineman foreman is contacting with the workers. That means top to bottom, vertically communication will be held. Vertically can be two types, upward and downward. This is downward. Okay, downward. This is upward. That means upward means sales manager will contact or informing about the sales commission to the general manager or assistant general manager. Assistant general manager will contact with general manager to inform about the sales condition. Understand? This type of communication is called downward and upward communication. That means vertical communication. সরাসরি উপর থেকে নিচে, এই সরাসরি কি directly upward to downward and downward to upward. Communication will be held in vertical communication. This type of communication is vertical communication. Is it clear, Rahul? Is it clear? What I will ask you, just listen. Then horizontal. These have been done in vertically, right? What is horizontal? Anubhavik rakha, like this, like this. Kar shakti. What is horizontal communication? Look, here is written. Horizontal communication, same positions, persons will contact each other of the organization. Like sales manager is contacting with the purchase manager. Manager post is the same rank post. So sales manager and purchase manager is contacting with each other. These are parallel. These are parallel. This type of communication is called horizontal communication. And diagonal communication like this. Like this. Conic, konakoni. What? We are going to learn. Here is written vertical communication. What? When communication is established between higher and lower. Higher and lower level individuals, that means persons of the organization through information flow, it is called vertical communication. Information flow will be held vertically, top to bottom, bottom to top, upward to downward, downward to upward. Okay, down to upward, down to upward, up to downward. This type of communication is called vertical communication. Okay, then horizontal communication means as like as the same levels, anubhavik. In Bangla, anubhavik, bhumir saman. কেমন? ভূমি যদি নরমাল সিচুয়েশনে থাকে, সমান অবস্থায় থাকে, যেমন আমাদের ফ্লোরটা যেভাবে। কেমন? When information or news is exchanged between employees in the same rank, like sales manager, purchase manager, production manager, accounts manager, they are the same rank person. They will contact each other for getting information or informing the information or message to different parties, right? Level in different departments of the organization structure, it is called parallel or horizontal communication. Understand? Then cross or diagonal communication, like purchase sales department, okay? Sales department and purchase department, right? Am I right? Okay. Like sales manager and purchase manager. Okay. The workers are doing assistant sales manager, ASM, assistant sales manager. Here assistant purchase manager. If assistant sales manager wants to contact with purchase manager, look, they are not same rank person. They are not same rank person. Are they same rank person? No, they are not same rank person. But assistant manager needs to contact with purchase manager, avoiding sales manager. Like এই অবস্থা থেকে এইভাবে যোগাযোগ করবে। বুঝতে পারছো? কোনাকুনি মাঝখানে পার্টিকে অ্যাভয়েড করে। তার তো উচিত ছিল যে অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট সেলস ম্যানেজারের থ্রুতে তারপরে পারচেজ ম্যানেজারের সাথে যোগাযোগ করা, কি তাই না? কিন্তু না করে সরাসরি কি করছে? অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট সেলস ম্যানেজার is contacting with directly with purchase manager. This type of communication is called cross or diagonal communication. Like this, when an employee of one department communicates with an employee of a different level in another department, it is called cross or diagonal communication. Is it clear? clear? Sales department, purchase department or production department. কি তাই না? আমরা তো বলেছি সেলস ডিপার্টমেন্ট ম্যানেজার, পারচেজ ডিপার্টমেন্ট ম্যানেজার এবং প্রোডাকশন ডিপার্টমেন্ট ম্যানেজার। যদি এরা যোগাযোগ করে তাহলে হরিজন্টাল কমিউনিকেশন, রাইট? একই হরিজন্টাল কমিউনিকেশন। কিন্তু যদি হয় একই লেভেলের না কিন্তু ভিন্ন ভিন্ন ডিপার্টমেন্টের, কেমন যে অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট সেলস ম্যানেজার or any worker of sales department is contacting to the purchase manager or accounts manager, ভিন্ন একটা ডিপার্টমেন্টের, সেম র্যাঙ্কের? এই সেম র্যাঙ্ক না, এই ধরনের কমিউনিকেশন গুলোকে বলা হয় ক্রস or diagonal communication. Any problem?
No sir.
Shubhetu? Okay. Next. Have you written?
Yes sir.
Have you written?
Yes sir.
I want to see. Okay. Have you written?
Yes sir.
Just write down the names: vertical communication, horizontal communication, and cross or diagonal communication. Any question, boys? Any question? Okay. Next, we are learning about types of communication. Boys, there are different types of communication can be held. Here, types of communication according to formality. According to formality. এই বলো তো দেখি, তোমার সাথে এই মুহূর্তে যে যোগাযোগটা হচ্ছে এটা কি ফর্মাল অর ইনফর্মাল? ফর্মাল অর ইনফর্মাল? ফর্মাল কমিউনিকেশন। why? দেন তোমার সাথে আমার তাজমহল রোডে দেখা হলো, হাত দিয়ে বললাম বাবা কেমন আছো, বাসা সবাই ভালো আছে, দুপুরে ভাত খাইছো, এটা কি ইনফর্মাল কমিউনিকেশন, রাইট? দ্যাট মিন্স হিয়ার ইজ রিটেন এক্সচেঞ্জিং ইনফরমেশন অর মেসেজ বাই ফলোইং দ্য রুলস। আমি আমার পিরিয়ডে আসছি, কি তাই না? এবং আমার দায়িত্ব হচ্ছে এখানে ক্লাস নেওয়া। তুমি বুঝেছো কিনা? I will have to ask you that have you understood or not, whether you have understood or not, right? Procedures, formalities, etc. of the organization is called formal organization. Formal organization এর কিছু কিছু অবশ্যই রুলস থাকবে, predetermined থাকবে, procedures থাকবে, formalities থাকবে, rules থাকবে। Following these things, when a party will contact with other party or team or a person, that communication will be treated as formal communication. That means I am taking a class for the students and asking some questions for getting information, right? Whether he has understood or not. Understand? So this type of communication is formal communication. Here is written, for example, interview, application notice. This type of communication can be formal communication, right? আগামী 25 তারিখ থেকে 26 তারিখ থেকে পূজার ছুটি হবে, কি তাই না? তাই না? তাই কি না? This is a message. College will think to inform this message to the students in different ways. College will deliver a notice, signature by, signed by principal sir, right? Getting this information, you will be understood, you will be informed that college will be closed for puja vacation. Am I right? So this type of communication is formal or informal? Formal communication. Then informal communication, exchanging information or message without the rules and formalities set by the organization is called informal communication. এখানে যোগাযোগের কোনো রুলস নেই, কোনো প্রসিডিউর নেই, কোনো ফর্মালিটিস নেই, কোনো রুলস নেই, কোনো প্রসিডিউর নেই। It can be happen anytime, anywhere. Understand? Okay? Like sitting together and talking while eating, playing sports. তোমার আর আমার খেলা হবে, কি তাই না? তোমার আর আমার মধ্যে কি হবে? খেলা হবে। খেলার মধ্যেই দেখবা যে তোমার আমার মধ্যে অনেক কথা হচ্ছে, কি তাই না? খেতে খেতে তোমার আমার সম্পর্কে অনেক আলোচনা হচ্ছে, বাসায় কেমন আছে, কি দিয়ে খেয়েছো, কখন আসলাম, কিভাবে আসলাম, কয়দিন থাকবা, ছুটি কয়দিন, এটসেট্রা এটসেট্রা। This type of communication is called informal communication. Any question, boys?
No sir.
Right now, according to formality, communication can be two types. According to formality, communication can be two types. Formal communication and informal communication. Okay. Any question?
No, sir.
No. Next. Other types of communications can be mass communication. Mass communication. Mass communication. That means a lot of people will be informed. Like advertisement, TV, newspaper, Facebook, radio, magazine. Contacting a lot of people. A party will contact through some media. This type of communication is called mass communication. Then personal communication, one-to-one. I may contact with you. Dahia, how are you? Have you done your homework? This type of communication is personal communication. Dahia, will you come to help me in the evening? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will come. Right? This type of communication is called personal communication. Dahia, তুমি আমার আজকে পড়তে আসলে না যে কি তাই না রাইট পড়তে আসলে না যে এই তাই তো ওকে দেন interpersonal communication আন্তঃব্যক্তিক রাইট not so important then organizational communication like setting policies communicating with various people inside and outside of the organization. This type of communication is called organizational communication. Then daily communication like regularly telephoning, emailing, WhatsApp, saying good morning, etc. You are looking that if someone is absent today, class teacher already sent a message through WhatsApp to the parents. Am I right? This type of communication is daily communication. Next, social communication. It can be done through Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, etc. Okay. These are the types of communication. Okay. These are the types of communication. Now we will follow a media. Like I want to contact with someone, writing a letter. Hey, what? Writing a letter or contacting through mobile or telephony, right? Dahia, how are you? Shahol, how are you? এখানে কোনো hey, বুঝতে পারছো? On the basis of communication method, communication can be verbal communication, can be non-verbal communication. Verbal communication means what will be used. What will be used. On the basis of these things, what can be written word, can be oral word. Understand? Written word can be oral word. লিখে যদি কারোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করা হয় written communication, যদি কাউকে লিখে নয় বরং অন্য কোনো ভাবে ওয়ার্ড উচ্চারণ করে মুখে উচ্চারণ করে যদি কমিউনিকেট করা হয় তাহলে কি হবে oral communication. Then non-verbal, that means no word will be used, just a sign will be used to contact or informing a message to other parties. This type of communication is called non-verbal communication. Why? What? Eye communication, like আমি হেসে দিলাম এই কোন শব্দ listen, I will not say anything but I am smiling looking at you. You will understand sir is pleased to me. আমি রে হ্যাঁ যেমন আপনার হাসতেছে এই হাসি কেউ দেখতেছে না তার মানে আই কন্টাক্ট তারপরে এরকম করে টাচ করি তাই না এরকম করে টাচ করি কারো বুকে কারো গায়ে যদি টাচ করি সে ঘুরে তাকাবে আরে আমাকে ডাকতেছে কে কি তাই না পেছন থেকে যদি কেউ এরকম করে টাচ করে if someone touch on behind you will understand that someone is calling me, right? But he is not telling anything, just he is touching on backbone.
Yes, sir.
Backbone মেরুদণ্ডে অথবা ব্যাক সাইড টাচ করছে তাহলে বুঝতে পারবে কেউ আমাকে ডাকছে, রাইট? দেন সাইলেন্স নীরবতাই নীরবতাই কি সম্মতির লক্ষণ, রাইট? নীরবতাই কি সম্মতির লক্ষণ। সাইলেন্স ইজ দ্য সাইন অফ agreement. Okay. Then body language. Usain Bolt দেখো নাই? Usain Bolt এরপরে আর কি আছে? তারপর রোনালদো গোল করলে কি করে? এই তাই না? আবার উসাইন বোল্ট এরকম করে। এই করে কি না? এটার একটা অর্থ আছে, রাইট? বডি ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ। এরপরে আর্জেন্টিনার গোলকিপারের নাম কি? সে ওই গোল্ডেন হ্যান্ড গ্লাভস নেওয়ার পরে একটা সাইন করেছিল, মনে আছে? রাইট। This is a communication. Hey, listen. Don't take it negatively. Okay. Gesture, space, distance, etc. Hey, listen. Distance, etc. আমরা যখন রাস্তায় দিয়ে হাঁটাহাঁটি করি, এই গাড়ি যখন চলে, তখন এরকম একটা অ্যারো সাইন দেওয়া থাকে, তাই না? তার মানে হচ্ছে লেফট সাইড ইজ, হ্যাঁ, you will have to turn on left side or right side. ওকে? তারপরে তীর চিহ্ন যদি এই অ্যারো সাইন যদি এরকম থাকে, that means you will have to go forward. You will have to go forward. Am I right? Nothing has been written. Just a sign has been given in the signboard. You have understood that you will have to go to forward. Understand? There is no man. So this type of communication, hey, these are the communication medium. Boys, any question on this point? No, sir. So we will have to take 2 classes on these verbal communication and non-verbal communication. We will learn in details in the next classes. Do you have any question? No, sir. No. Write down your homework. Write down. You will have to write. You will have to do complete. You will have to complete your homework. Write down. Quick. Fast, right? Fast. Okay, have you noted?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, boys. I hope that you will do your homework properly for showing in the next class. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Wa alaikum assalam.